You know I respect you. You know I was number one in pushing your presidential ambition, and I'm still number one in pushing your presidential ambition. Mudavadi, I want you to be president. Because me, I don't want to be president, I want to be governor. So if you are president, Mudavadi, you will not deny me anything. You are my brother, you want to be president, I'm supporting you. But please, accompany your ambition with tact. Tactics require that you associate with the people with whom you'll build a winning team. Stop pretending to our people that you are moving with Wetangula so as to go to the presidency. Wetangula comes from Luyaland, you come from Luyaland. You don't add any value to each other. Now, Wetangula, I don't know what's wrong with you. I was your deputy, I showed you the way, it is still the way. Kama ulikuwa unafikiri Raila ni rafiki yako, akakuchapa, akakufukuza kwa ofisi, na isitoshe Raila wameungana na Uhuru, wamechukua pesa, wamepatia Eseli, wamepatia Wamunyinyi, wamekunyang'anya chama ya Wamalwa, wamekunyang'anya chama ya Masinde Muliro. Stop embarrassing us. Wachana hao na with that shell.